Sorry, PricewaterhouseCoopers is one of the world's largest accounting and consultation firms. Founded in 1998 through the merger of PricewaterhouseCoopers and Leipzig, PwC has grown and become to one of the world's largest professional sector service firms, over service in audit, consultation, tax, and engineering. They have offices in more than 150 countries and employ hundreds of thousands of people worldwide. Okay, nice. The company have four professional sectors. First is assurance, including finance statement and in audit. Second, tax, providing tax consultation and solution.